What's going on, family? Today I have a quick and simple turkey and grilled cheese breakfast sandwich with cheddar and Chipotle Mayo. You gotta have a Martin's potato bread for this one. I'm telling you, this thing is great. It's amazing. The flavors are fire. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make this thing. Hope y'all prepared. Now, before we go any further, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications and don't forget to leave me a comment. I actually respond back. I like to talk to y'all, okay? So we're gonna go in and toast up our bread. All right, get it nice and golden brown. Add a little bit more butter in there. So I'm gonna switch up utensils. I ain't gonna use the butter knife. I'm gonna go ahead and use the spatula. Hey, but I use the butter knife in the heartbeat. It don't matter. All right, let's go ahead and flip those. We got good color on the on those other two. Let's move those down. Just move it around. Don't be afraid to move everything around. All right, let's get these two to a nice golden brown. Shouldn't take but a few seconds. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more butter in there. Gonna crack us 2 eggs. Hit it with a little bit of pepper. Throw some salt in there. Got that Morton's kosher salt. I like to put a little onion powder on there too. Just a little bit. Now while the eggs are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our cheese on the bread. Now y'all might be thinking, well, why is he grating the cheese on there now? Well, we're gonna add it right back into the pan for a little, just to melt the cheese. Okay, that's why I didn't brown the other side of the bread too much, because we're gonna finish it up in the pan. All right. And it's nothing like freshly grated cheese. That store-bought, it has all those additives and preservatives and things like that to make sure the cheese don't stick. I like freshly grated cheese. I can tell the difference. So we're gonna go ahead and get a nice amount of cheese on there. Look at that, that's beautiful. Now we're gonna grab our eggs. We'll cook down to the point where they're just running. So I like my eggs. My eggs are easy. Now we're gonna add those eggs, those hot, beautiful eggs, right over the cheese. That ambient heat is gonna melt the cheese down below. We're gonna hit the bread with some Chipotle Mayo. And we already have our turkey in there. Nice little bit of Chipotle Mayo on there. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our turkey off. And this don't have to be beautiful. This is just my little breakfast sandwich. This is what I like to eat when I get up. Get up in the morning. Something quick, fast, and delicious. All right, I'm gonna wipe this pan out. We're gonna hit it with some butter and throw them right back in there just to reheat everything. Get the cheese, make sure the cheese is melted. But for the most part, these are done. Let's go to make sure we get some nice coloration on the bread. melt it. Give it a nice little flip. Let me get my plate, and I'm ready to eat. Look at that, some of the yolk just busted out. There you have it, guys. Basic, cheese toast with some turkey, some Chipotle Mayo, got some egg over easy, some cheddar cheese. Simple, easy. Look at that. There you have it, family. Nice, simple breakfast sandwich. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you would, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to drop me a like, a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you have some ideas for recipes, let me know. Till then, peace.